Hello and good morning. It is 4:45 a.m. Yeah, it's pretty early. I am mobile, heading to Shelby, North Carolina. Why in the heck would I be doing that? Being an amateur radio operator, one of the biggest hamfests, like a giant flea market, is next weekend. In order to select your space where you're going to be selling your stuff, you've got to go today, this morning, and get in line, and they'll let you in, and you remove the flags on the 5 spaces you want, pay for them, and then next weekend you can actually bring your stuff and occupy those spaces. I'm burning daylight. Got to get a Scottish breakfast on the way. It opens at 5 a.m., so about the time I get there, it'll be open. It's as dark as an inside of a cow this morning, and you got to watch out for the little doggies. Yeah, I'm talking about deer and skunk and just about every other critter that's out rooting around here this morning. I'm on the back roads for a little while until I get up on the highway. We're leaving the house at 74%. Oh, look, there's a deer. Oh no, it's a mailbox. As I careen through the night, you can see there's no street lights or porch lights or anything around. It's pretty dark. Not a lot of folks out here where I live. But you never know, you might find some interesting critters along the way. The lights here in the Cybertruck do a pretty good job. These are high beams. You can see pretty well to the left and right, but you got to be vigilant. Just getting on Highway 74 this morning. Pretty dark. Gotta watch out for animals for sure. Navigate to Shelby Fairgrounds, Shelby, North Carolina. Okay, I think that's it. Cleveland County Fairgrounds. Okay. It's 36. We'll be there at 5:36 with a stop for Scottish breakfast. Let's have a look. Looks like we'll be there around 5:36. It's 36 miles. We've got a 10-minute stop at Mickey D's for breakfast, so we should be fine. Be there nice and early. And why did I get there so early is your question. Well, is that what it was? Oh, yeah. So, like I explained, there's a thing called the land rush for a flea market space. So you go next weekend, and there's spaces to sell your junk. In order to get those prime spaces, you got to get there nice and early today. And what that does is helps me select where I need to go. So we go early to get prime flea market spots. A bunch of us go. And we're then all near each other, so it works out pretty well. It's more of a thing to do than it is a necessity. So there you go. We're just tooling along here, paying attention for animals and things like that. Look at that, a beacon in the night. That's where we get off for our Scottish breakfast. Forest City, North Carolina. Open at 5 a.m. You believe that? I guess that's good for me. Look at that. Nav tells me where to turn around. Of course, it doesn't know that I'm going to go to McDonald's, but whatever. Yeah, look at that. We'll get a Scottish breakfast and get on the road. assuming this guy's just about done. Yeah, it looks that way. Hey, look at that. Okay. Get our Egg McMuffin here and coffee. Morning.
Hi, welcome to the Stanton Family McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Not today. Getting into Shelby here now. Sorry for the Kyle Connor style window. I didn't want to wash it yet. There's our rake angle turn. And we go down this little back alley here. Takes us around the back side of the convention fairgrounds here. Got a big white sign here. I don't know what it says. What's it say? Construction entrance. That's no problem. Gates open. That's a good thing. We'll see how close we are to the front of the line. You know, these other Hamfesters are pretty crazy. You never know. Might be number one. Hey, look at that. That's pretty good. We'll just put it right here. I guess we can roll up just a little more. And this is it. Hey, that's a new one. Here, number one. That's okay. I can watch some YouTubes and play around, and there's not a soul around today. But that's okay. We go in, I believe, this gate here and do our thing. All right, chill time. And for the record, I've arrived at 5:45, now 5:46. We're here at the fairground part. We were stopped at our normal gate, and one of the guys called another guy and said, oh no, the entrance is down here now. If you look at all the flags mark spots. And the benefit is, of course, when you do this land rush thing, you go and you can see the spots are marked. You grab the flag for that spot and go pay for it. Pretty good system all in all. This place has been here a long time. Here we open. Yep. Let's see. Well, I think this is the boys' side. I can't believe it. I know this comes to a shock to you guys. Looks like a normal bathroom, right? Well, the problem was the bathroom here was made in the 30s. Looks like they fixed it all up. It's pretty nice. All right, let's test it out. It's just about 7 a.m. We have folks that have been here now for 2 days parked here waiting to get in first. Whatever. They're happy, I'm happy. We had to move where we normally park to back here. And these are all the diehard Hamfest folks. All of our buddies here. After you pull the flags, you come over and pay for them. And that's it. Oh no, Ron Beaver told me about that.
That's slick. What is it? Pirate shit.
There you go. We had a brunch here. We're gonna get on down the road now. Head back to the house. I'm getting home now. Another 10 miles or so and I'll be there. Hey, if you like today's video, give me a like, pass it on to your friends. Don't forget to drive a Tesla and use my referral link. Get you $1,000 discount. That just started up again. So take a test drive and use my referral link, and make sure you email me at evdaveshow@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.